Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and sync that hold the pictures. This is crucial. Sign into Photos. Google. Or open the Photos app, then go straight to Trash, because deleted items often live there for 60 days. Once done, check Backup and Sync in Settings to ensure the original upload occurred. Make sure the correct Google account is selected. If you find the photo in Trash, select it and restore immediately. This returns it to your library and any synced devices. Next, recover the media. If the image is in Trash, restore it. Trash retains files for up to 60 days, so act quickly. If you archive the photo, open Archive and move it back to the library. Archives are not deleted. When items aren't in Google Photos, make sure to inspect your device's file manager and any SD card for local copies. For bulk recovery or missing items across services, use Google Takeout to export all photos data. This helps you locate orphaned files. Finally, for synchronization, toggle backup and sync off, then back on and reconnect to Wi-Fi. This often pulls restored items back to all devices. If you still lack the photo, check other backups, device local backups, Google Drive, or third-party cloud services, and restore from there. If nothing appears, make sure you're in the correct Google account and recheck Trash, then contact Google support. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or reinstall photos, because corrupted cache can hide recently restored images.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.